Welcome to the first video of my channel SM Magic Tricks, and as this is my first video, I will be discussing about what all I will be doing in my channel. So before that, I will be showing you a small beginner's card trick which is one of my own creations. So here's the trick. I fan out the deck, I move my thumb left to right, and I ask the spectator to say stop anywhere they want. Suppose they say stop right at the bottom. Now I'll just show you the card, and it's okay if I see your card. It's the 5 of diamonds, a pretty good selection. Now I'll just put the 5 of diamonds somewhere in the middle. And I can even hand the deck to the spectator so that he or she can shuffle it. So I don't have a spectator right now, so I'll shuffle the deck by myself. Oops. Last over and shuffle. A few riffle shuffles. A few cuts. Okay guys, so the deck is fully shuffled now, but I'll even show you that your card is not at the top. It's not at the bottom. That means it's somewhere in the middle, but I don't know where it is. But if I just snap my fingers, I just wave my hands, your card, the 5 of diamonds, jumps right to the top. So that was the trick guys. Hope you like the trick, and I'll reveal this trick in my next video. So keep a watch out for my next video. Press the bell icon to never miss a post from me, and links in the description for the reveal. So that's it for the trick guys. And now let's just start the discussion. So in this channel, SM Magic Tricks, I'll only show you some magic tricks. I'll show you some tricks which fooled Penn and Teller or the judges of AZT and BZT, and I'll also reveal those. I'll also show you some normal magic tricks like vanishing a toothpick or somewhat like that. I'll also show you some tricks like sucker punch, and I'll also review those tricks, but I'll only review those guys. I'll not reveal those. And I'll also show you some normal card tricks or normal coin tricks, somewhat like that. So that's it for my channel, but I'll also make another channel for unboxings, vlogs, and also gaming. I have a channel for vlogs, so links in the description for that channel. Check out that channel. And that's it for the other channels. And I'll also do some giveaways after a certain amount of subscribers. And I want you guys to comment on my channel that what all tricks should I do, or which deck should I use in my videos. And that's it for the video guys. Hope you liked the video, hope you liked the trick, and links in the description for the reveal of the trick. So that's it for the video guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to never miss a post from me, and peace.